Hi guys, it's MadameWario. Welcome to another review video on my channel, this time for the Ivory Ella June 2020 surprise box. I've actually never gotten a surprise box from Ivory Ella before, so this is my first one and I'm very excited about it. I am somebody who, especially as I've gotten older, I have really made the effort to buy clothing from companies that give back, especially those that give back to organizations I really care about, and most of those, if not all really, are all to do with animals, and Ivory Ella gives 10% of their profit from everything sold back to elephant conservation and saving the elephants and increasing their population. All things that I'm very, very passionate about. I'm a huge animal rights activist. Anyway, let's dive right in. We're gonna dive into the box. Yay! So opening it up, it's got this pretty purple. They know. They're like, oh, she's a purple girl. Let's get her with that. Oh my god, these are so much cuter than I thought they'd be. I was expecting like generic, like just silver studded earrings, but these are the earrings I got. They're rose gold, which is my favorite tone of metal jewelry, and they're little like dangly elephants. That's so cute. So cute. So these boxes actually vary a little bit, and I actually love what I'm seeing so far because the colors are a little different than what I was expecting, but I like them more than what I was expecting. And then this is super cute too. This is a little pole, like pole tie bracelet, and it's an elephant that has leopard spots. Oh my god, I love that too. I was really expecting all of this jewelry to just be plain. I wasn't expecting it to be like patterned or anything fancy, just because of the nature of the box. I was thinking, you know, it's like basic pieces. That's so cool. Every box varies, I think, every month a little bit, but this box in particular came with 2 pieces of jewelry, 1 bag, 1 tank top, 1 t-shirt, and 1 sweatshirt. So I knew the content going into it, just not the designs. So we have the first top, which is so cute. It's yellow. Yellow's my favorite color. This is my t-shirt. So cute, and it has like a little like leafy, almost like a, it looks like, oh, it has surfboards on it. I was like, it has like palms and surfboards. I'm just putting all of this stuff on over my clothes because here we layer, because we are fashion. And the front has a little pocket that says Ivory Ella on it. So these are like super basic t-shirts. They're super comfortable. I wear these on my live streams a lot. You probably see me sporting a lot of Shelly Cove merchandise, especially. Because I am a Shelly Cove rep. That's another company just like this, except they are funding sea turtles, whereas Ivory Ella obviously does elephants. But I credit Ivory Ella with kind of starting the trend of doing this. So this is the same as the one that I've seen on Instagram and online. And I think it's so cute. It reminds me of 4th of July, but the color scheme is a little different because obviously this is a coral, but I really, really like this design. I thought that was super, super duper cute. And it has a little elephant on the front too, the little elephant spot. So check out that fit. Oh, hot. Oh my god, I was not, okay, this is different than what I was expecting. This is like, oh my god, this is like a full-on like kangaroo pouch style. So cute. Oh my god, that's adorable. Look at this. I love the color. It's like an orchid, like a deep orchid or deep rose kind of. That is so cute. I was not expecting like a full-on like pullover hoodie. I was just expecting like a basic sweatshirt. Again, everything I was expecting was so basic. Look how cute that is. Yes, girl. Yes. Work. Oh, girl. I'm totally normal, don't worry. Kit, there is litter on this bed. Litter on my bed. Gross. Ivory Ella, I think, always sends you a sticker with your orders, and they're always really, really cute. Kitty is joining me, by the way, because she can't resist boxes, so. Hi, Kitty. Okay, and this is one of my favorite pieces because I am like a, I don't know, this is like my weakness right here, are bags. I don't know why, I just love bags. So does Kitty. Kitty has the same weakness, except she likes like grocery bags. I like real bags. Oh my god, so adorable. Look at this backpack. It's so like rustic, but it's this like yellow gold color. This is like a different color than I thought it would be, and I like this color better. So cute. It has a little like IVORY patch on the front, and I think you can interchange this because like the straps, they come off, so you can loop this kind of however you want. So it's a like convertible backpack. Mom, I'm going to school. Check out this, guys. 100% cruelty free. If you're cruel, you're a tool. End of story. This box itself, it was $100 box. So the largest box they sell is $100. It comes with the 6 pieces. Their pullover sweatshirts like this, I swear, like $80. So this alone is like, these 2 pieces alone are over the price. What I love about this is all these colors. Like, look at that. That's like the colors of the rainbow. Like, first half of the rainbow done. I highly recommend that if you're going to shop trendy, shop with a brand that gives back. Like, it's just as easy to do. It's worth the money, and you're giving to an incredible cause. So I will link IVORY below. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I should have said that at the beginning, but this is just me wanting to show off cool stuff that I bought. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out IVORY. They are also on Instagram. Sometimes they have coupon codes on Instagram, so I would highly recommend following them on there if you plan to buy anything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This has been MadameWario. I will see you next time. Bye, guys. You want to say bye? She's over it.
You want to be on top? Wanna be on top?
Oh my god, I'm stripping on camera. Whoa. Put on the maturity filter. Hype.